Остров горелый вроде. Слава, он уже без снега катается. Воды-то сколько? Ой, приближается.
It's a feeling you've had your whole life long. You can't put your finger on it, but you feel there's something wrong. Deep within your soul, you yearn for something more. To reach beyond yourself, to transcend this regular plane. You put your hands in the heavens. Your eyes in the sun. You reach deep within. Yearning to be one.
place.